Hello there. The very unsettled and stormy theme that we've seen over the recent weeks across central parts of Europe continues. More low pressure in the Mediterranean with the jet stream diving quite far south. You can see all this cloud on the satellite image pushing its way northwards across Italy into the Alpine region as well. Now, over the next few days, more heavy downpours of rain affecting parts of Sardinia, Corsica, and also across parts of Italy, particularly in the north and northern parts of Croatia. Flooding likely here. A much quieter issue across Turkey and into Greece too, with temperatures on the warm side for the time of year. But through the central Mediterranean, look at all those heavy downpours affecting the Balearics once again. For Spain and Portugal, it's a quieter picture, although temperatures on the cool side for the time of year, and it's feeling fairly autumnal for France, UK too, turning breezy in the northwest with the remnants of ex-Hurricane Oscar on the way, and also some fairly windy conditions likely across parts of Scandinavia, particularly for Norway as we move through into the weekend. But Saturday, another day of those heavy showers through the central Mediterranean into northern parts of Italy and across the Alpine region. We're expecting some more snowfall through the course of the weekend. Now, London and Paris reasonably quiet. Madrid will be turning quite a bit colder though as we look towards the new working week, and it remains very unsettled and showery in Rome for the next 5 days or so. Berlin is going to be warming up and rain should clear from Moscow. Bye-bye. Hello there. We've seen heavy rain and heavy snowfall across the Pacific Northwest of the US and into British Columbia too. More unsettled weather on the way here. You can see this stream of cloud piling into British Columbia. That'll push its way across the likes of Colorado as well. Also very unsettled further east. We've got this weather front here. Now through the day on Thursday, that's producing heavy downpours of rain across parts of Texas, Mississippi too, up the Mississippi Valley and towards the southern Great Lakes. So more heavy rain to come across this zone. Not just heavy rain, but we also see some squally, gusty winds, perhaps large hail and the threat of an isolated tornado or two as well. So let's take a look towards the northwest then. For British Columbia, we've got a lot of heavy rainfall pouring in, quite windy conditions here. There's been flooding recently in Vancouver, could be a little bit more to come. Some of that rain spilling across the Rockies, but it's still pretty warm and dry for California. Still a fire risk across the southern parts of California at the moment. Here's how the weekend is shaping up, and there'll be more heavy rain in Vancouver by the time we get to Saturday. Los Angeles looking fine and dry as we head through Friday and into Saturday. Now further east, we've got this brisk southerly wind heading towards New York. So temperatures in New York pretty warm for the time of year. But for the likes of Nashville and Atlanta, you are underneath that weather front. So some heavy rain, squally winds and large hail around as well. Over the next couple of days then, it's pretty soggy and breezy in Montreal, but showers should clear from New York. Bye-bye. Hello there. There's a fairly quiet spell of weather at the moment across the Caribbean and much of Central America. There is a chance we could see a tropical storm forming in the eastern Pacific. That's something we're keeping a close eye on. Further south across South America, the satellite image shows a line of cloud. We're going to see more heavy rain through parts of Paraguay and southern Brazil, so some localised flooding possible here. Drier to the south of that for parts of Uruguay into northern Argentina. Further north, some heavy showers across parts of Colombia, Venezuela too. A drier spell of weather as we make our way further eastwards across the likes of Suriname, Guyana and French Guiana as well. It's largely dry for the east coast of Brazil, but then back into those heavy showers around Rio de Janeiro. Should be drier though across Uruguay and Buenos Aires in Argentina, just 17 degrees, although it will warm up here later on in the week. So this is how the next 5 days are looking. More rain for Rio de Janeiro through Sunday and into Monday. It should start to turn quite a bit warmer though for Buenos Aires. Meanwhile, across Mexico, there is some heavy rain in the Gulf of Mexico, so a few heavy showers perhaps affecting Mexico City, but largely dry for the Yucatan Peninsula and down towards Nicaragua and Honduras, a lot of dry weather too. And as we make our way further east across the Caribbean, it's a story of sunshine and a few scattered showers. Temperatures in San Juan around about 31 Celsius. There will be some rain in Havana, which should slowly clear away as we head into the new working week. Should stay dry and sunny in Kingston. Bye-bye. Hello. After making landfall across Luzon, Tropical Storm U2 has been weakening significantly. It's no longer producing the strong winds that it was producing, but it is still giving some heavy rainfall. Here it is on the satellite image, this swirl of cloud here, making its way gradually further northwards. It won't be a tropical storm by the time it reaches southeast China and Taiwan, but it will bring some heavy rain, so flooding likely as well as some potentially damaging winds in a few places. To the north of that, a quieter picture across Japan, the Korean peninsula, in towards northeast China too, and it's also largely dry and settled for the far southeast of China. For Vietnam, Cambodia and Thailand, the largely dry theme continues. Further south, some heavy showers across the Malay Peninsula and across many northern parts of Indonesia. Now, over the next 5 days or so, it's looking generally dry and settled in Tokyo. That heavy rain in Taipei should clear away by the time we get to Saturday, so it'll be drying up and warming up too. And heat has certainly been the main theme to the weather across Australia. We've had record-breaking temperatures in Darwin already. That heat spilling its way through central and southern parts of Australia, so very hot for Melbourne and for Sydney, 34 Celsius here on Friday. Across the Tasman Sea, we hold on to the drier weather for the North Island of New Zealand, but things will turn increasingly wet and windy for the South Island with some heavy rain and some blustery winds on the way. So here's the outlook then. Cooling down in Sydney with some heavy rain at times in Wellington on Saturday. Bye for now. Hello there. The northeast monsoon has been getting going across some southern and southeastern parts of India. It's been producing some heavy rain and it will continue to do so. We'll see heavy rain across parts of Tamil Nadu, southern Kerala, also Puducherry and southern Andhra Pradesh too. So you can see all the cloud on the satellite image associated with those heavy showers down to that northeast monsoon. Also Sri Lanka will see some heavy showers and some thunderstorms. Elsewhere across India, the temperatures are on the hot side for the time of year, so hotter than we'd expect for cities including Mumbai and New Delhi too. So if we take a look a little bit further northwest across the region then, colder conditions in charge across Astana. Temperatures here around -1 at their warmest, also fresher down towards Ashgabat too. And we're seeing some snow over the Hindu Kush region of Afghanistan as well, but dry further south across southern Afghanistan, Pakistan and to the northwest of India. Heading our way down the west coast, and you'll see those showers cropping up across parts of Karnataka, Kerala as well. Down towards Mali, should be dry and settled here, but we continue to see those heavy showers could affect Chennai at times. Dry though up towards West Bengal and across Bangladesh as well. Here's the outlook for the next 5 days or so, largely dry and sunny in Mumbai. Further heavy showers and at times some thunderstorms for Colombo. Meanwhile, we're set to see those temperatures on the rise in Tashkent. Some snow at times though for Astana. Bye for now. Hello there. The jet stream has been further south than we'd expect for the time of year, bringing some very unsettled weather across Central Europe and North Africa too. You can see on the satellite image this line of cloud here. We had some snowfall over the mountains of Morocco and some windy conditions still persisting through parts of Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia as well, with a few coastal showers here. Meanwhile, further south across Africa, there's also been heavy rainfall across eastern parts of South Africa with some big thunderstorms and large hail here. Another day of those heavy downpours on Friday before the showers ease away. Still, though, very warm in Cape Town with temperatures of 27 Celsius. It won't be quite as hot in Cape Town as we look through into next week, so those temperatures taking a bit of a dip. And in Johannesburg, we'll lose the showers. Things are looking largely dry and settled too. There could be some heavy rain for southern parts of Madagascar, though. A few showers in Casablanca as we look towards early next week, and those heavy showers in Algiers should start to ease away with a return to some sunshine. Now, across the Middle East, we've got some heavy showers in the forecast across central and northern parts of Saudi Arabia. You can see them here, a few of them spilling across the other side of the Red Sea into Egypt too. Further south across Saudi Arabia into Oman and Yemen, it is looking a bit drier, and across the Gulf it's fairly quiet too. But this heavy showery rain will push its way slowly further north, so by the time we get to the weekend it'll be affecting parts of Syria and also Iraq too. So in Baghdad, very unsettled with some heavy showers over the next few days. Bye-bye.